5 frequently asked questions about the Trezor hardware wallet. Let's go! What's up guys, I'm Day, and in this video I will answer 5 questions that you asked me in my videos about the Trezor hardware wallet. As you can see, I'm not in my apartment, I'm traveling, and I decided to make a quick video to answer your questions about the Trezor hardware wallet, because I think that answering your questions in a video may help also a lot of people in the community. But remember to stick through the end of this video to have a bonus tip. So let's start with the first one. The Sandman. After recovery, do you need to create a new seed, or can you just keep the original seed from your old, lost, damaged Trezor? So if you want to recover your old wallet, you have to use the old seed. So you will keep the same seed. Remember that the seed is directly connected to the wallet where are stored your funds. So using a new seed is the same as creating a new and empty wallet. If you want to recover your funds and so your old wallet, you will have to use the same seed, so the old seed. Second question. Kier numero. I'm sorry for the pronunciation, but hello, what should I do if I'm going to connect my Trezor into other device? Should I use recovery? So I understand that you want to connect your Trezor to another PC. And no, you don't have to use recovery. You will use your Trezor as you are used to. Just connect the Trezor to the PC, open the Trezor suite and use your Trezor. But here I have to say 2 things. First thing, I do not advise to use your hardware wallet on a device that you don't own and that you don't know if it's secure or not. A hardware wallet, and especially the Trezor suite, have their methods to protect you from a compromised device. But still, if you want to be safe and increase your security, don't use your Trezor on a device that you don't own and that you don't know if it's safe or not. Second thing, you should always make sure that you use the official Trezor suite, downloaded from official sources and updated from official sources. If you need to use your Trezor on a device that you don't own, make sure that this Trezor suite is the official one and that is not a fake one or a compromised one. So, if you're enjoying this video so far, give me a like and comment here below if you have any question, and I will try my best to answer as well as possible. So KOTGC. So I have to wait months for a new Trezor one, or can I use a software like Coinomi? Also, where do you store your seed phrase? If your seed phrase is compromised, your funds are easily stolen. Doesn't Trezor recommend some better security like hashing or adding a passphrase to your seed phrase? So these are 2 questions in one. First questions. You don't have to wait months for a new Trezor one, because you can recover your wallet on a new Trezor device or in any compatible third-party application. And this is a list of suggested third-party applications that you can find on the Trezor website, link in the description. The second question was about where do you store your seed phrase. So you're right. If your seed gets compromised, your funds can be stolen, so it is advisable to increase your security by adding a passphrase. And remember to store your passphrase and your seed in 2 different places, so that if one gets compromised, the other one is still safe. Moreover, Trezor suggests you to place some, let's call it dummy money, on the unprotected wallet, so that a malicious user that stole your seed phrase will find some money in your unprotected wallet and think that these are your funds. By the way, there is no method to find if a wallet is protected by a passphrase or not, because in the Trezor suite, if you put a wrong passphrase, you will create a new protected wallet. The best tip to increase your security is just to add a passphrase and place some funds in the non-passphrase protected wallet, just to deviate the attention from the possibility of having a passphrase. Bra is asking, so If you broke the Trezor T, you can buy a new one and enter the seed and then you got your wallet back. This means the seed is stored somewhere in Trezor servers. No, the seed is not stored in the Trezor servers. It's not the purpose of this video to go in detail about the connection between the seed and the private and public keys. But you have to understand that the seed is directly connected to the private and public keys, so that an algorithm can always correlate one seed with the corresponding private and public keys. So Ethan Gomez is asking, how can I recover my wallet if I still have my Trezor 1 and the seed phrase but I forgot my PIN? So don't worry, if you have your seed and you have your passphrase, you're good to go. The only thing you have to do is wipe your Trezor device, and you can find a link in the description explaining how to wipe your device, but just to be quick, it is explained here. You have to dismiss the PIN matrix, continue to Advanced tab, and then you will find Wipe Device. After you wipe the device, you have to recover the wallet as explained here, using your seed. And now this process connects to the bonus tip. What about if I have a passphrase? Can you do another instructional video, please? So if you have a passphrase, just recover your wallet with your seed as explained here. After the recovery, the Trezor suite will ask you if you want to put a passphrase. If you type a new passphrase, you will create a new wallet protected by this new passphrase. But if you place the same passphrase as before, you will open the passphrase protected wallet that you were using before. So that was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, give me a like, comment here below with your questions. I will try my best to answer them as well as possible, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.